Question 4. Is a rectangle regular or irregular? Now, what we need to know here is the difference between regular and irregular shapes. We've got some shapes here. These are all quadrilaterals. This particular diagram here is talking about the diagonals within a quadrilateral. The diagonals are when you join opposite corners, and it's telling you if the diagonals are equal length. So like in a rectangle, they're equal, but in a kite, they're not actually equal. And in a trapezium, they're not equal either. But this question is about regular or irregular. So what we need to know for regular and irregular is that regular shapes have all sides and angles equal. Now, it's very important to realize that it's not just the sides, it's angles as well. So if there's any different sides or any different angles, then it is not regular. So I'm going to write that on the other side. So irregular, not regular, is obviously better described as saying irregular. So irregular means there's any different sides or angles. So with a rectangle, all the angles are the same because they're all 90. But the sides are not all the same because you've got a long one on top and bottom here, and you've got short ones on the left and right. So because not all the sides are the same, it's not regular. It can only be regular if all the sides and all the angles are the same. So a rectangle is actually irregular. A square, does it have all the sides the same? Yes. Does it have all the angles the same? Yes. If you're answering yes to both questions, that means it's regular. So a square would be regular. A trapezium, does it have all the sides the same? No, because you can see straight away that one at the bottom is longer. If you answer no to either question, then that means it can't be regular. So a trapezium is irregular. Parallelogram, are all the sides the same? No, because you've got short ones left and right, and you've got long ones top and bottom. So if all the sides aren't the same, you've got obtuse angles in two corners and acute angles in the other two corners. So that's going to be irregular as well. A rhombus, are all the sides the same? Yes. Are all the angles the same? No, because you've got obtuse there and there, but acute there and there. So that's also irregular because we've got different sized angles. A kite, are all the sides the same? No, because you've got two short sides at the top, two long sides at the bottom. So that's straight away irregular. So as you can see, the only one of these that we would class as regular is a square. All the other quadrilaterals are irregular.